Warning: it is important that prior to performing this or any other safety or service procedure on any Marathon product, that the person performing the work has both read and fully understands the parts and service manual as well as the product operator's manual, including the detailed safety instructions that accompanied this product. If there is anything that is unclear or that you don't understand, do not attempt to operate the product or perform any of the service or maintenance tasks called out in this video. Quarantine the area, lock out and tag out the product, walk away, and contact your supervisor immediately for clarification. It is also important to ensure you are wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment, hereafter referred to as PPE, prior to beginning this or any other service or maintenance procedure. Hey, I'm Travis Wallen, the service guru here at Marathon Equipment. Thanks for joining me at the Service Shack. On behalf of everyone here at Marathon Equipment, we would like to thank you for choosing our line of products. Today we want to show you how to properly operate your Marathon Auger Compactor and electric cart dumper. Before we begin, ensure you have the proper PPE that is required by your facility. We require gloves, safety glasses, safety shoes, and earplugs. Always follow your company's PPE guidelines. Warning: before operating the dumper, make sure that the container is ANSI compliant. Never attempt to dump a container not specifically designed for the dumper. Contact your Marathon dealer if you have any questions about your container's compatibility with the system. All personnel and equipment should maintain a safe working distance from the dumper during operation. Do not stand under the raised dumper for any reason. In case of an emergency, push the large red button to stop. First, let's go through how to operate your auger and your cart dumper in manual mode. To begin, you will need to make sure that all of the e-stops are pulled out. There are a total of 3 e-stops on the unit. On the main control panel face, the remote push-button station, and the right side of the auger body. Then use the Auger Compactor controls to see if the e-stop circuit is reset. If the amber e-stop reset push button is eliminated, push it in until the amber light turns off. Next, push the container onto the dumper. This will break the light curtain, causing the amber light curtain reset light on the dumper control pendant to eliminate. Note: if needed, you can adjust the retainers on each side of the dumper box to the height of the container. Remove the snap safety pin, move the retainer to the appropriate position, and then reinsert the safety pin. Then repeat for the other side of the dumper box. Reset the light curtain by pushing in on the amber light curtain reset eliminated push button until the light turns off. Then place the dumper auto manual selector switch in the manual position. And use the dumper up-down selector switch to raise and lower the dumper as needed. The dumper will stop lifting when the up proximity switch is activated. The dumper will stop lowering when the down proximity switch is activated. When the container has been fully lowered, remove from the dumper. Finally, press and hold the auger forward button on the touchscreen until the auger screw starts to turn. Now let's go over how to operate your Marathon Auger Compactor and electric cart dumper in auto mode. First, make sure that all 3 e-stop buttons are pulled out. Then use the Auger Compactor controls to see if the e-stop circuit is reset. If the amber e-stop reset eliminated push button is eliminated, push it until the amber light turns off. Next, place the auger in automatic mode by pressing and holding the auto mode button on the touchscreen for 20 seconds. An alarm will sound for 5 seconds. The green strobe light will begin flashing and the auger will start. Note: the green strobe light will flash as long as the auger remains in auto mode. Now you can push the container onto the dumper. This will break the light curtain, causing the amber light curtain reset light on the dumper control pendant to illuminate. You will need to reset the light curtain by pushing in on the amber light curtain reset illuminated push button until the light turns off, and then place the dumper auto manual selector switch in the auto position. Next, choose 1 or 2 cycles for the dumper to make by setting the dumper cycle selector switch. Finally, press the auto cycle push button. The dumper will make 1 or 2 cycles depending on the setting of the dumper cycle selector switch. If 2 cycles are selected, the dumper will move to the fully up position and then move partially down before going back to the fully up position. The dumper will lower when the second cycle is complete. If 1 cycle is selected, the dumper will move to the fully up position and then back to the down position. The auto cycle is complete when the dumper is finished lowering the container. When the container has been fully lowered, remove from the dumper. Note, if the dumper cycle is interrupted by breaking the light curtain during an auto cycle, the auger and the dumper will be taken out of automatic and stop. The dumper auto manual selector switch must be turned to manual. Next, reset the light curtain by pushing in on the light curtain reset illuminated push button until the light turns off. And use the dumper up-down selector switch to lower the dumper to resume your auto cycle. That's it. Now you know how to operate your Marathon Auger Compactor and electric cart dumper. If you have any questions, please contact Marathon Technical Services at 877-258-1105. Remember, we're here to help in any way we can. So be safe out there, and we'll see you next time here at the Service Shack.